My name is Max Verstappen and currently I'm racing in the VF3 European Championship.
How are you doing? Sorry for not knowing it, but...
Yeah, at the moment we are second in the championship, so in my first year in car racing I think that's not too bad.
It's your first year in car racing?
Yeah, I stepped up from karting last year where I won twice the European Championship and once World Championship in 2013, so I finished off that quite good and yeah, I didn't expect to do it so well in my first year in F3, but yeah, so far it's going quite well. At 4 years old I was on a go-kart track and I saw somebody driving. He was even younger than me, so I called my dad and I said I wanted to have a go-kart, but he said no. He wanted me to start at 6, but then after I kept pushing to have a go-kart and I finally started when I was 4.5. Well, at the moment we are still concentrating on F3, of course. We finish off the season there, and from there on we will see what decisions we take. My big dream is F1, of course. At the moment I don't really know. I mean, F3 is quite a tough class, and you saw already some drivers who got from F3 or GP3, they become a Formula 1 driver. So yeah, I just continue to do my best, and from there on we will see. To be on track, of course, you have to be fast, and next to the track you have to be clever and work together with your engineers and the whole team. It really has to be one team. Yeah, for today it's just to make some laps to get used to the speed difference compared to an F3 car. I think that's the main thing.